Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. It's long time pending for the calendar spread video, so I'll post it regularly every week. And I have lost a major chunk of my investment. You could see, like, 1 week. Right now, I am just having $333, a loss of 185 on a day. Yesterday it was a hike. That's why previously it was around 250. So I deviated from my calendar spread trading trading strategies. That's why all these happened. Now I'll try to follow and stick on to it on 2023. 1 week it's 185. 1 month I lost around $2,000. On a 3 month chart it's around 4,000. Yeah, year to date it is 300 loss. So we will first try to make up this $300, and then we'll go for the future target. On overall, I lost 4029, 92% loss. Hopefully, I can recover it from the lows. Currently holding SPY calls and SPY puts, 405 and 365 puts. So I'd be posting weekly, so there's no point going through these each individual. If possible, I can do, but yeah. So currently, I'm on a profit of $20 on this call side, and on the put side I lost $21. I could close this on Monday. Maybe I would aim 2% profit overall. That way I can recover some of my losses. Thanks.